My name is Fatina Dirah Bintilan. My matric number is H20B1145. Today I will discuss about healthy bento for stunting problem among Malaysian children. This is my individual assignment. I from class L1. Description of stunting problem. Stunting in the period growth and development the children experience from poor nutrition, repeated infection and psychology simulation. Children are defended as starting if their height from age in more than 2 starting deviation below WHO child growth standard median. Starting in early life, particularly in the first 1,000 days from conception until the age of 2 inferior growth has advanced function on the child. Some of the consequences include poor cognition and the ecclusional perform, a lot of the words, lost productivity, and when as compared by activity has gained later in childhood and increases risk of nutrition related chronic in elderly life. Analyze and data analysis. According to the Global Nutrition Report 2020, 20.7% of children under 5 suffers from stunting and 11.5% from wasting, 6.0% from overweight. Second, in 1990, the stunting was 20.7% and went down gradually. It recorded back to 20.7% in 2015. The lastly is private studies have also found that the majority of children as aged 7 until 9 years is 94.5 and 10 until 12 years 96.3 do not meet the Malaysian nutrition guideline for daily mix or daily product per day. The factor associated with stunting problem in children. The first is genetic factor play an important role in the transmission of physical and social characteristics from parents to their children, which has a significant impact on the growth and development of children in terms of deposition, intelligence, body structure, years, and height. Second factor is due to growth hormone of children Edicori which secrete virus type of hormone into blood treatment that can increase or decrease the activity that is grow in the body or organ. Every chance that occurs in the hormone will affect the growth and development of the children. Ingredient of healthy bento for kids year 4 until 6 years is tuna salad sandwich and melon salad. The calorie for each energy nutrition that contributes of healthy bento is for tuna salad, number of calorie is 172 calorie. For bread is 77 calorie. For avocado is 322 calorie. For melons is 60 calorie. For cucumber is 30 calorie. The benefit of tuna salad sandwich. Benefit of tuna salad sandwich arise in nutrition, especially if grains with vegetables. Sandwiches are loaded with protein and have more than 10% of your daily intake of 11 vitamin and mineral. Tuna is good sources of omega fatty acid. Tuna is rich sources of omega-3 with white record and frequency the risk of cardiovascular disease. For benefit of melon, the honeydew watermelon is a lens overall. Watermelons with a smooth skin and a flat mediate parts. Despite its name, honey lemon is not loaded with sugar. If when worries about the carbohydrates, of the sweet-tasting watermelon. Honey watermelons also supplies some fiber and some important macronutrients, including vitamin C and potassium. Benefit of cucumber. Cucumber with often touch of a vegetable and actually fruit. They come in different variants, including shredding, pickling, and salads. Cucumber are difficult for kids because they contain a great deals of water, which helps stay hyper. It also helps keeps body temperature stable and prevent constipation. Cucumber have vitamin K, which the body uses to stop bleeding. There also contain calcium, iron, and vitamin B. Benefit of avocado. Avocado are sources of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B6, as well riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothecin acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3. Avocado contain high level and healthy difficulty fat, which can help a person feel better between meals. The last is a benefit of bread. The bread is a fresh food. When your body works to break down food containing fiber, you feel for the longest. That food helps you avoid overeating in your setting or eating too much the day. Some type of fiber that have its effect can even help your lost hearts. Management blood sugar. Food high in fiber often have a lower glycemic GD, ranking the rated how food affect blood sugar with the low. There are 5 journals to support the benefit of healthy bento. The first is from ndwwfitday.com, written of January 2022. The second is from ND Very Well Fit, written of January 7, 2022. And third is from Healthy Life and ND subscribe, written of January 7, 2022. For the fourth is from Gold Medal Bakery, start from 17 February 2021. For the last journal is from Mary Jo Di Leonardo, 23 July 2019. For conclusion, bento is a lunch supply originally from Japan. The style of arrangement the food placed in the container and careful and can chooses the appetite. It is believed that bento has auspicious signed the 553rd country in Japan. Bento contains food that meet basic human nutritional needs such as fiber, protein, and carbohydrate. To identify the problem of something which is a problem is chronic malnutrition caused by lack of nutritional intakes in the long run, and it can also lead to cirrhosis in the future. That it have effectively optimal physical and cognitive development. Thank you.